What's up, you guys? Oh, where you going? Where you going? Where y'all going? Where y'all going? Let me get my intro straight. Now I gotta redo that again. Oh, great. And of course the battery's dying. What's up, you guys? It's the daddy with the caddy, and today I'm finna be replacing this old stereo on my Cadillac DeVille and upgrading it with this Bluetooth touchscreen receiver unit. The one that it has right now still takes cassette, and besides, even the screen doesn't even work anymore, so I can't even tell what station is on. Remove the dash trim around the head unit. Remove the lower 7mm bolt. The one in this Cadillac is missing since the stereo is not the original one, someone already replaced it. Remove the two top 7mm bolts. That's it. Got the antenna. Assuming this is for the CD player in the back, and then the wiring for the speakers. Whew, it's hella hot right now, bro. Just check out the weather. Check that out. And I'm inside the Cadillac. Feels like I'm in an oven. It gets hella hot inside here. Now I'm finna remove these two nuts so I could transfer this bracket onto the new head unit. This little lock adjusts, locks in place. So we just gotta move it. We just gotta push down. While we push down, we adjust this to the center. There you go. It has it on both sides. Remove the old metal cage from the bracket. Let's get the new one in there. It looks so nice. Lock it in place. Okay, I got the bracket installed, so one move. I use some bolts right there to hold this piece in place. This bracket does shift back a little bit if I push it, but once I bolt it on, it shouldn't move. So it should be good. Let's put this piece. It's looking good. You can order a stereo wiring harness from Amazon. Plug in the stereo wiring harness adapters. Before cutting the wires, disconnect the battery. So when it comes to the wiring connectors, this is a style that I prefer, the male and female. Because if you ever decide to upgrade the stereo or, you know, remove it so you could keep it, you could just unplug the connections versus cutting the wires like I just did. So I ended up using all the red connectors, and I still need some more. So when it comes to using a bigger size, what I normally do is just cut more of the exterior and then just fold the wire so it could become thicker. And then I'm able to fit in a bigger connector. The previous person that did this must have ran this yellow wire to some, probably the ignition switch or something that has power directly. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it on this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could trace the wiring so I could show you guys where they got the power from. So just in case anybody out there is installing an aftermarket stereo on their Cadillac DeVille, they have an idea on how to wire it. Alright, you guys, so I'm done installing the stereo, and I'm very happy with this upgrade. Real quick, shout out to my shawty for getting it for me. I appreciate it. So this new stereo has improved the audio quality all around, and also like the additional features such as touchscreen and Bluetooth that allows me to get jiggy with it to all the jams that I like and have a better experience in the Cadillac. You can also install a backup camera, not that your boy needs one. You could install like a mic so you could talk while you drive as well. Again, something that I don't like doing. But if you guys are interested in this stereo, I'll have a link in the video description so you guys could check it out. And if y'all found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys for stopping by and checking it out. I'll see y'all in the next one. Just finished removing this old out-of-date tape cassette player unit on my Cadillac and upgraded with this Bluetooth touch screen. Audio sounds so much better. We cruising now. Thank you.